Hello, people. Today I'm back with a new concept, which is cognitive biases. Now, what exactly is cognitive biases? Cognitive biases is the tendency of people to take decisions or make decisions irrationally. Now, there are various type of cognitive biases. So first comes confirmation bias, where a person tend to believe on those thoughts and feelings and emotions which they feel is acceptable to them. For example, if a person is religious, they are going to believe on only religious aspects rather than believing on atheist aspects because they are believing on that. Second comes self confidence bias. So this is overconfidence bias. Sorry. So it is like putting a lot of faith into one action. For example, a person is very overconfident that I'll score out 70 out of 80 for sure, but turns out they don't because they were overconfident. Then comes halo effect, where a person's thoughts and emotions towards the other person is influenced by the outer layer of the second person, or like the way they behaved with them. But in general, for example, if I am being influenced by another person because they were nice to me, it doesn't mean that that person is nice to everyone. They can be introvert, they can be psychotic, neurotic, anything. But I had a halo effect because they were good to me. Then comes gambler talency, which is experiencing, letting the past experiences affect our future. For example, in a past we did in the past we for studying we did a particular pattern, and that helped us, and we are following that same pattern today. But in this scenario, that study pattern doesn't like is effective. However, we follow that because in past it was beneficial for us. Then comes bandwagon effect. There is like people form opinions based on others' opinion because they think that others are being right. It is basically conformity. For example, person feels that other people are joining a particular club, and they think that others are influencing them to join that club, so they will join that club because they think that others are doing, so I should be doing so. Then comes fundamental attribution error. So it is the tendency to blame our issues to others, like our created issues we blame to others. For example, that we are having some trouble in our life, we can say our marks got deteriorated, so we are just blaming our surrounding, that I had a chaotic surrounding, that's why I couldn't study. I had other engagements, that's why I couldn't study. We don't take that it was our fault. Then comes hindsight bias. In this, someone believes that the person believes that they have predicted a particular event. However, it is totally coincidental. So, for example, somebody told that today it will be raining, and coincidentally, it rained. So they think that they can predict things. Then comes Dunning-Kruger effect. Here, people with low skill think of them as godly. They think of themselves as highly, and people with high skill thinks of themselves as low. That we are not that good. So, this is what cognitive biases are. I hope this helps you and understand more about yourself and follow. Thank you.